Okay, let's go on a quick test drive. Steering feels good. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Shifts nice and smooth. The brakes feel good and the steering wheel does not shake when you apply the brakes. It's just such a smooth shifting car. It just feels brand new in here. Everything looks awesome. This is a very well preserved car. They definitely took care of it. I have no complaints as far as drivability goes. Just over 18,000, almost 19,000 miles on it. This is a very, very nice car. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. We're going to look inside and out for any cosmetic imperfections, starting with the front right wheel. Got the TSWs, a couple small chips here. Otherwise, it's in great condition. The fender's in good condition. A couple small rock impacts, otherwise that looks nice. A-pillar looks awesome. Beautiful paint, looks really good. This side's really nice. And looking at the front end, the headlight's in great condition. Couple little rock impacts. That headlight's in great condition. Scanning the hood here. Looks really nice. Front bumper looks good. Got a little scuff right here. Got some rash under there on the edge. A little rash right there. Looking at the engine bay, this looks really nice. That hood liner looks good. Alright, here on the driver's side, you can see a chip right there. And looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. A little chip there, a little scuff. You do have a larger chip right there. The rest of that pillar looks nice. All of that looks good. Got a scratch right there. Little one here. The rest of that door's in great condition. You do have a little scratch there. Overall, that quarter panel looks good. That wheel looks nice. Alright, checking out the back side. That taillight looks amazing. That one looks good. All of that's in great condition. do have two little bubbles of some sort there. That might be some sort of factory defect in the plastic. I don't know on that. Little scuff here. Overall, very clean. Looking at the back, the strut does not hold itself upright. Couple small stains on the carpet on the left side there, and then a few on the right. A couple spots on this mat, but otherwise looks really good. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and it smells really good in here, nice and clean. Got the memory seating. All of that looks good. Got a small marking right there. That carpet's in great condition. Overall, that panel is pretty much perfect. Looking at this trim, you got a couple dents. Otherwise, it looks good. That bolster looks nice. Got a little snag right there. Looking at the seat, that bolster looks good. Got a scuff right there. A couple scuffs here. Otherwise, it's in great condition. That wood grain looks amazing. All of this is nice and matte. Got a couple little markings of some sort on that button. All of that looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. You can see some sort of discoloration around this. Has a purple hue to it. Other than that, it all looks really nice. All of this opens perfect. That's nice. The car needs to be on, but this opens and closes as well as up here. Looks really good. And looking here at the back seats, they're in amazing condition. Now when you have these seats all the way back, you have zero leg room, so you do have to move that seat up pretty good, but they are currently in their farthest position back. Got a couple small scuffs here, a little bit right there. Otherwise, that seat's in great condition. Looking at this side, that bolster looks good. That one's nice and clean. Overall, very, very nice. Got a little marking here. Small stain on the carpet there. Little marking here. Otherwise, it looks good. Looking at the top side of the dash, looks really nice. That door panel's in great condition. Beautiful car.